Metis might drop to $100 or even $80 on the 13th of February. In this video, I will be talking to you about what I believe will happen with the price of Metis after 488,000 Metis tokens, or around $68 million, hit the decentralized exchanges. My name is Kierin and you're watching the Decentralized Lifestyle. We've got a masterclass coming up where I teach you guys how you can actually sell the top, buy the bottom really easily using technical analysis as well as on-chain data. In the DeFi Academy, I was actually talking about my exits out of Metis. So for example, I took some profit out, $322 from Metis. I'll maybe buying back lower and even started shorting Metis at $168 because it touched an important resistance lines. And yeah, I've been shorting and I'll be continuously shorting until the unlock on the 13th of February. So for the upcoming masterclass, I highly recommend that you click on the link in the description below, and you definitely don't want to miss this out because it's really easy to learn as well as receive alerts for important things that are happening in the market. So let's talk about what I believe will happen with the price on the 13th of February. So to clarify, these 488,000 tokens that are unlocked, a portion of that is from the team, so it's possible that they don't sell, but they could if they wanted. Up 100x, would you sell? And the remaining tokens, I think around 350,000, are from VCs. So angel investors, venture capitalists, funds that managed to get in at sub $1 price points, which is crazy, thinking that at the moment they're probably up around 130x to 200x. And they will probably be selling. I mean, let me know in the comments down below if you would have an investment, you put $10,000 or $50,000 into a ICO and you would be up 100x. So 100x from 50,000 would be $5 million. Would you sell? Well, be honest, let me know in the comments down below. So with that out of the way, I believe a large portion, at least 10% or 20% of these 488,000 or $68 million would actually dump onto the market. That could possibly bring the price down 25% to even 50%. So a 25% drop from the current price point would be at around, I believe, $100. So no, actually it would be a little bit lower. It would be at around $98, and the 50% price drop would be at around $80. Yeah, so that's pretty crazy, and I believe this is actually what will probably happen. But since many people are expecting this unlock, I believe that this drop in price will be eaten up relatively fast. So the first thing that happens is on the 13th. So let's look. The price will probably drop a little bit lower onto the 13th because people are expecting this unlock. They're just a little bit late to the game. They realize, oh shit, we didn't realize that there's an unlock that's happening, and they start selling a little bit. Then you've got the 13th of February at 00 UTC. The unlock happens. Then you see like a massive drop in price as the VCs, like, they race to sell at the best possible price. Then the market drops massively. People get back in probably at $82. The price goes back up again, maybe to $100. Other VCs with a better price point, they dump again onto the market. So we'll probably see this spiraling, moving in a range as tokens are sold on the market and people are buying the dip. Then after the market moved sideways for a bit, I expect this massive, like just massive breakout from this downwards trending trend line, which has acted as a resistance numerous times, all the way back of this crazy crash back at $300, then here at $268, and again here at $165. So I expect a little bit of resistance here, but as soon as this breakout happens, we're probably going to see a massive rally. So yeah, that's the game plan that I expect for that day, I highly recommend if you want one of the biggest opportunities of your lifetime, and be able to buy sub $100 to even $80 Metis, then I recommend setting a timer for or an alarm for the 13th of February and buying those dips. Not financial advice, but that's what I'd recommend that you do. And if you want to leverage, just keep in mind leverage trading is risky. You can get liquidated. You can actually leverage trade using Agora DeFi. You can actually lock up either Metis as collateral if you want to go long, and then you can borrow more Metis tokens. Or you can actually go short by adding USDC or USDT as collateral and borrowing Metis on Agora DeFi and then selling that Metis on NetSwap. And like that, you're actually effectively shorting the market. So there's one thing that VCs and angels might have already done, because I was talking now about shorting the market. It is possible that some VCs have actually deposited USDC or USDT on Agora DeFi. They've borrowed some Metis tokens and sold those Metis tokens at around $300 in order to short the market at these price points, since they already knew that we were getting the same amount of tokens during the unlock and they was expecting the price to dump. So it's possible that a large portion of the investors have already sold at higher price points, but I still expect a massive amount of VCs and angels to sell a large portion of their unlocked tokens on the 13th of February. So let me know what you would actually do in the markets if you'd have 100x or even 200x on your investment. Would you sell or would you hold? This is not FUD. This is just how the markets play. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.